If you guys want some cheap and reliable grips, go head over to wolfxgrips.ticktail.com and use the discount code It'sLucas for 10%
So guys, what's going
off.
on? It's Lucas back again for another video, and today we are going to be doing the Woodwork challenge. So I'm here with Nathan. His link will be down below in the description. Go subscribe to him. We've done a video also on his channel. I'm not sure if it'll be up tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So it's the first one to hit all three: post, crossbar and the other post. So let's get straight into this video.
I'm off for the left side of the post.
Right post. Post, pal.
So guys, I'm off for the same post and I'm off bottom left.
Ooh.
Let's get out.
So yeah, I'm on the same with Nathan. I'm off crossbar.
Barker boy.
Post.
Derp-itty, derp, 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 derp.
Guys, I'm going to change it up a bit and I'm going bottom right.
Bottom right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Right
top
post.
bins though.
Bounce, bounce, rock the bass.
So guys, I'm moving so far. Nathan's hit the crossbar and the bottom right. Now it's time for me to pick up my game. I'm off crossbar.
Ho ho ho. Oh. Dun dun da da dun da da dun.
There's only one place left. Let's make it a win. Bottom left.
So guys, I'm off bottom right. Because I'm losing to him.
Straight that
Only
middle
one
part.
place left. Bottom left.
So guys, I've still not hit the crossbar or the two posts yet. Let's make it count now. Let's get
Destruction.
Oh.
that's how you know
Oh.
Guys, I just hit the crossbar, so now it's bottom left post.
You said bottom left, mate, not crossbar.
Bottom left, bottom left. I'm off bottom left.
You're odd.
Sausage.
And mash.
So guys, I've still got the two posts to get. I've got to get one of them. Bottom right.
Oh, he's got it, he's got it, he's got it. And he's got
We've
it.
both got the same posts to it now. So let's see who's going to hit it first.
Bottom left. So we've both drawing, and we've both hit the same things like crossbar and bottom right post. So now we've both got to go the same place. It's bottom left. And I'm gonna hit it.
Barker now. Barker, he shoots, and he misses.
Bottom left. Hey, so one place to go, and you guys know.
Top bins. Whack, whack, whack.
Bottom left.
Ah!
As usual. So guys, I've got to get the bottom left to still be in the game. Let's do this. So it's come to the last kick. If I hit it, goes first one to hit crossbar. Let's do this.
That is the end of the video. Nathan won me on Woodwork Challenge. It took ages to actually get the last post. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come and get 20 likes. That'd be amazing. Also, don't forget to check out Nathan's channel. Links down below in the description. Also, use my discount code It'sLucas for 10% off at Wolfxgrips. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Guys, I forgot to say thank you for 300 subscribers. I'll do a 300 subscribe special. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys want me to do for my 300 subscribe special, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.